ooya, a parent, a mother or a father. Ooya, a landlord. Ooya. Be careful. The first o high, the second o low. Ooya. Ooya, 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 ooya. Ooya? Ooyaとooyaだ. You might think that this is very easy, but actually, I've heard many times that the non-native Japanese speakers who speak Japanese very fluently say, 今日、親さんが、自分の親にさんつけたらダメだよ。No, I didn't mean parent. I meant a landlord. あ、大家さんね。Please put san after oya. Then we can understand them clearly. Don't worry about the pitch accent too much. This is just an exercise for the Japanese pitch accent. Good luck with your studies. 頑張ってください。